Hello. So, I'm back again with one of my videos teaching you how to draw prints. Now, this is a collection of 5 dresses and this is part 1 of the series. So, starting first with pose, that is step number 1. Step number 2 is giving the garment outline. So, once the garment outline is done, I usually add a black micro outline it with a black micro tip pen. So by this collection, this illustration is the whole collection is designed by Shubhika, Papa Don't Preach, and I love her collection. So here I'm adding the print, giving the big polka dots on the frill and adding the stripes. So once the basic print is established, I'll erase it lightly and then I'll start rendering it. Now the medium what I've used is watercolor and poster color. So to get the perfect color, I many times blend 2-3 mediums. So I use a poster color also and I add a bit of watercolor in it. So that's me giving the polka dots. Now I love this whole collection of Shubhika. That's the Papa Don't Preach designer, and I'm going to make all the 5 dresses from this collection. This is November 2020, and it's nice and peppy. Shubhika always comes up with beautiful prints, and I love her embroidery. I've been following her since many years, and she's one girl uh, who's come a long way, and I love her work. So here I'm adding stripes uh, because it's a bias cut flare. So the stripes are going randomly, they're vertical and horizontal. And going back to the reference photograph also once in a while. And yes, these are beautiful, lovely yellow crisscross, and then there's orange stripes and lovely pastel stripes to it. So I'm keeping on adding the stripes. That's it. Now this was one color which was slightly difficult to make, this aqua green color. So I've added a blue and a tinge of parrot green and a bit of yellow to get this particular color. Again adding the orange, few lines are missed out on few lines. Now I'm starting with the skin shading, giving a lighter tone first, the base, and then adding the edges. Now when you're doing a skin shading, understand sides are always darker. Give the first base and then go from edges, go darker. So this is done. It's a simple method. I'm not giving complete features right now, just the gesture of the face, adding the skin shading for the legs. Edging up making it slightly more darker, and we are almost done. I'm going to complete all the 5 sketches, but right now this is my first video of the series. Hope you enjoyed this, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please share and hit the like button. Now I'm just giving the edges, I'm giving a bit of shading. I'm adding the darker tones for orange, even the frill, adding a bit of shading, and that's almost done. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.